In Node.js, a module is a self-contained unit of functionality that can be shared and reused across projects. It has its own context and does not interfere with other modules or pollute the global scope. It allows developers to decouple and organize their code, leading to applications that are easier to understand, maintain, and debug. That being said, to keep each step of the initialization process of our application compartmentalized, we're going to use the module pattern to create a series of independent modules that we'll call loaders, starting with the server loader module that will be in charge of returning an Express instance. So let's start by installing the Express package using the npm install command, which will automatically update the package.json file by adding this package to the list of dependencies. Let's now create a new directory named loaders that will contain the modules responsible for initializing the application. And within this directory, let's create a new file named server that will contain the web server's logic. Within this file, let's initialize a new Express instance by invoking the top-level function exported by the Express module and export it using the module.exports function, which as a reminder is used to expose a single variable or function. Let's now import the server module into the application's entry point located in the app file, remove the temporary error we've added in the previous lesson, bind the server instance to the port 3000, which is an arbitrary port used for development purposes through the use of the listen method, and add a log that indicates the application startup. Finally, let's run the application to make sure everything is working properly.